Hello guys, welcome back. So நம்ம Tnpsc 2022 Agri Engineering question paper பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி பார்ட் 1 அப்லோட் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ பார்ட் 2 பாருங்க. 31 கொஷின்லேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ 30 வரை கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். A drainage canal discharges the water at the rate of 0.2 meter cube per second and drains a 200 hectare. What is the drainage coefficient of this land? So drainage coefficient of the land கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So they had given the discharges Q is equal to 0.2 meter cube per second. So on the drains and area they had given us 200 hectares. சரிங்களா? ஸோ இதை வச்சு drainage coefficient கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஸோ Q by A. So 0.2 into 3600 into 24. So meter cube per second we want to convert this. So then 200 again. 200 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay. So when you solve this, you can get 0.00864 meter. So convert this. So you can get 8.64 mm. You should be right in mm only. Okay. DC is equal to 8.64 mm, which is option B is the correct answer. சரிங்களா? So next question. Calculate the time required in hours to irrigate a check basin of 20 meter long and 15 meter wide. So on the depth of 5 centimeter. சரிங்களா? With the stream. So stream discharges 7.5 liter per second. So you want to calculate the time T. So convert the centimeter into meter, you can get 5 divided by 100. So which is nothing but 0.05 meter. Okay, depth. So as per this, the formula Q is equal to A into D divided by T. Okay, so area they had given us. So 20 into 15 into 0.05 divided by T. Discharge they had given us 7.5 liter per second. 20 into 15 into 0.05 divided by T. Therefore, T is equal to, so 20 into 15 into 0.05 divided by 7.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter cube per second. Here the question they had given in liter per second, we want to convert this into meter cube per second. So when you solve this, you can get the answer 2000 divided by 3600, which is nothing but 0.55555 hours. So moreover, it is equal to 0.56 hours. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Next question. The water flowing continuously throughout the season to irrigate the given area in acres is termed as. So water flows throughout the season. So it is said to be duty. Option A is the correct answer. Other than this. Next question. So this is match the following. So இது பாருங்க, unconfined aquifer, confined aquifer, dug wells and driven wells. So unconfined aquifer, which is also known as, so phreatic aquifers A, and confined aquifer it is known as artesian aquifer B, and dug wells it is 1.5 to 4.5 meter diameter. Okay, C. For driven wells it is 3 centimeter to 10 centimeter diameter. So 3, 4, 2, 1. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. The depth of the irrigation is calculated on the basis of. So irrigation or depth எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி? So it is based on the available moisture holding capacity of the soil in the crop roots and different layers, and the soil moisture extraction pattern in its crop root depth. சரிங்களா? ஆப்ஷன் ஏ தான் சரியானது. ஸோ ரெயின்ஃபாலோ இன்ஃபில்ட்ரேஷனோட டிபெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காது. இட் இஸ் டிபெண்ட் அப்பான் தி அவைலபிள் moisture holding capacity of the soil in the root zone. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Cutoff ratio for border irrigation method is decided by the slope of the border and texture of the soil. சரிங்களா? So cutoff ratio வந்து it is depends on slope of the border and texture of the soil. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. So duty and delta concept is used for. So duty and delta concept is used for designing of irrigation projects. சரிங்களா? So duty can be represented as D is equal to 8.6 B by D, where B denotes the number of base days. So and D denotes the water depth or delta, which is in meters. So delta it can be represented by depth of water over base period. சரிங்களா? Depth of water over base period. It is said to be delta. So and then next question. So match the following. tensiometer. So tensiometer it is 0.85 atmosphere. சரிங்களா? A. Consumptive use it is used for lysimeter. So B. Then gross duty it denotes the irrigation supplies, and the neutron moisture meter. So neutron moisture meter it is used to find out the in situ measurement. Okay. Then average numerical deviation depth of water it is water distribution efficiency. Okay, option D is the correct answer. 5 4 1 2 3. So next question, if the exchangeable sodium percentage is more than 15, then the soil is, so it is said to be alkali soil. சரிங்களா? So when it is less than 15, it is said to be saline soil. சரிங்களா? So for alkali soil it is more than 15. The pH of the saline soil varies from less than 8.5. For the alkali soil the pH should be greater than 8.5. Okay, pH should be greater than 8.5. And then ECE, electrical conductivity, it is for saline soil it is greater than 4. For alkali soil it is less than 4. Okay, these are the most important things to understand about sodium percentage classification of salt affected soil. Next question, mechanical surging is meant for, so mechanical surging is done for well development. Option B is the correct answer. Next question, in the design of tube well, the velocity of water entering a well screen should be kept about 3 centimeter per second. So option B is the correct answer. Next question, the double mass curve technique is adapted to check the consistency of the rain gauge records. Option A is the correct answer. So next question, the most accurate method of finding the average depth of rainfall over an area. So most accurate method is the isohedral method. சரிங்களா? So other methods are not that much accurate. So most accurate is isohedral method is the most accurate method. So இந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் ரிப்பீட்டடாக கேட்டுகிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஸோ 2024லையும் இதே மாதிரி கேட்டிருந்தாங்க 24 கொஷின்ஸ்லையும். The instrument used for measuring the centering the table over the plotted point is known as plumbing fork. சரிங்களா? Option D. So clinometer is a Abinel level. சரிங்களா? Option C is the correct answer. So next question, the telescope is fixed in a spindle alone in a care of, so in a care of dumpy level. சரிங்களா? So the dumpy level is rigidly fixed to its supports. So option A is the correct answer. Next question, simple leveling is the process which just determines the dash between 2 points. So it determines the level difference between 2 points. Option A is the correct answer. சரிங்களா? So level difference தான் சொல்லலாம் simple levelingல. So next question, so in chain surveying one link means, so one link denotes the, so it is the distance between centers of the adjacent middle rings. Which is here they had given us from center to center middle rings. சரிங்களா? Option B is the correct answer. One link means is the distance from center to center middle rings. It is the rule that assumes that short length of boundaries between the ordinates are parabolic areas, which is called as Simpson's rule. சரிங்களா? Option C is the correct answer. The preliminary inspection of the area to be surveyed is known as, so the preliminary inspection is known as reconnaissance survey. ஓகேவா? ஸோ மற்றபடி வேறு எதுவும் கிடையாது. reconnaissance survey is said to be preliminary inspection of the area. So 1 ton of refrigeration, 1 ton is equal to 3000 kilocalorie per hour. Option B is the correct answer. So 3000 kilocalorie or 210 kilojoule per minute or 3.5 kilowatt. சரிங்களா? So option B is the correct answer. Next question, so which of the following methods are used to separate the oil from its source? To separate oil from its source we use the solvent extraction method. சரிங்களா? So oil source பிரிச்சு எடுக்கிறதுக்கு we can use the solvent extraction. Option C is the correct answer. So next question, in a dry air considering the mixture of nitrogen and oxygen and neglecting the small percentage of other gases, the molecular mass of dry air is 28.966. சரிங்களா, ஆப்ஷன் பி இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின். Dash is an intrinsic property of a food material to measure the material's ability to dissipate the electrical energy. To dissipate the electrical energy, we use the dielectric loss factor. Option C is the correct answer. So in twin screw extruder, the throughput is independent of its free rate. சரிங்களா, throughput வந்து எப்பவுமே it is independent. Option B is the correct answer. So 56th question. In cyclone separator, gravitational and dash forces can be combined for separation of particles from liquids as well as from gases. So gravitational and the centrifugal forces. சரிங்களா, centrifugal forces தான் cyclone separator we can use it. So next question. Instrument used to measure the flow properties of food. Flow properties, it denotes the viscometer. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Next question பார்க்கலாம். Steam economy of an evaporator is improved by adding thermal recompression. சரிங்களா, option A is the correct answer. So it can be improved by thermal recompression. Next question. The steam economy of a triple effect evaporator is more than the single effect evaporator. சரிங்களா, steam economy வந்து எப்பவுமே triple effect evaporatorக்கு வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்கும். சரிங்களா, it is more. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. The percentage of the tractor wheel slip will be calculated as. So percentage of the wheel slip, which is distance traveled without load minus distance traveled when working divided by distance traveled without load. It is said to be wheel slip. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. If the tractor runs in a dusty condition, then they change the oil in bath air cleaner for every, we want to change every 10 to 12 hours. சரிங்களா, so dusty conditionல run பண்ணாலும் we want to change the oil bath 10 to 12 hours. Option A is the correct answer. Next problem, we want to find the tractive efficiency. சரிங்களா, so tractor is pulling a load 16 kilonewton. So at a forward speed they had given 7.2 kilometer per hour. The axial power also they had given us 35 kilowatt. சரிங்களா, axial power. We want to find the tractive efficiency. So tractive efficiency is equal to drawbar power to the axial power. So this is the formula. So we can calculate. So drawbar power is equal to F into V. So here F denotes the load and V denotes the speed. So 16 into 7.2 into 1000 divided by 3600. Okay, so therefore 16 into 7.2 into 1000 divided by 3600 gives 32. Therefore drawbar power is equal to 32 kilowatt. Then the tractive efficiency is equal to drawbar power divided by the axial power. So 32 divided by 35 into 100. So which is nothing but 91.43%. So option B is the required answer. சரிங்களா, so next question பார்க்கலாம். Dash hydraulic pumps is most preferred are employed for pressures up to 14 megapascal in agricultural uses. So it is external gear pump. Option C is the correct answer. External gear pumps are used for pressure up to 14 megapascal. So next question. The following are the enemies of hydraulic system. So enemies of the hydraulic system என்னன்னு பாருங்க. So inadequate oil in the system. Okay. Leaky hoses, இதுவும் okay. Incorrect graded oil, this also led to enemies of hydraulic system. And foreign matters, so both 1, 2, 3 and 4. So option D is the correct answer. எல்லாமே தான் enemies of hydraulic system. சரிங்களா, so next question பார்க்கலாம். So tractor manufacturing was started in India in the year 1961 by first manufacturer, which is Eachers Gutiath. ஈச்சர் கம்பெனி தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு டிராக்டர் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணாங்க இந்தியாவில். ஸோ ஆப்ஷன் ஏ இஸ் தி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஷின். நேம் த ஷாஃப்ட் ஆஃப் அன் இன்ஜின் விச் கன்வெர்ட்ஸ் தி ரெசிப்ரோகேட்டிங் மோஷன் ஆஃப் தி பிஸ்டன் இன்டு ரோட்டரி மோஷன் ஆஃப் தி ஃப்ளைவீல். இட் இஸ் டன் பை தி கிராங்க் ஷாஃப்ட். Option C. Crankshaft only converts the reciprocating motion into rotary motion. ஸோ மீதி கொஷினை டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாம் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்.